Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different beautiful decoration arts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. 12 DIY coffee table ideas, simple and stylish ideas and plans. Creating your own is easier and cheaper than you think. A living room isn't complete without a coffee table to hold drinks and magazines, tired feet and remote controls. And while you're adding one, why not save some money and DIY your own coffee table? Whether you are looking for a round or rectangular table, one with storage or just to look pretty, we've got a collection of stylish ideas to complement any space. Many use materials you might already have easy access to and are simpler than you might think to create with wooden or metal designs that are modern, farmhouse style, rustic, or anything in between. You can even find a plan for a coffee table that looks like a style you've seen in a store with a high sticker price. While we are talking cozy living room ideas, you might want to paint some furniture, here's how, and add some plants to dress up the space while you are at it to go with your new handmade coffee table. It's always fun to refresh one of the most used rooms in the home. And now for our 12 DIY coffee table ideas, from using tree stumps to picket fences. Get ready to start planning and creating.
Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content.